Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Realme Buds Air True Wireless earphones, which are the first true wireless earphones from this company. So let's look at the box. First of all, you can see that it's a striking yellow box with Realme and the model name right here, Buds Air. And here again we have the company's name, and at the back of the box you have a ton of features explained. So the first thing right here is that we have real wireless tech according to the company, and also super low latency mode, which we'll get to later. It also has wireless charging. That's right, the case can be charged with any key certified charger, and all you need to do is just plop it on the charger and it'll begin charging. Next, we have Open Up, Auto Connection and Google Fast Pair. So what this means is it will quickly, almost instantaneously pair to the last paired device. It also comes with wear detection and auto pause play. So basically it employs optical sensors to understand if the earbuds are within your ear or if they are not. It also has a dynamic bass boost driver which boosts the bass response, and also has AAC codec support. It additionally also has a dual mic as well as ENC, or environmental noise cancellation. So with that, let's open up the box. We're just going to slide this off. And right here you see we have received the black variant for our review. So we're going to take this off and keep it aside for the moment and pull this off. In here you have a USB Type-C charging cable with a Type-A on one end and a Type-C on the other end. And here you have the user manual, and you have a bunch of instructions here as to how to use your device, how to pair, and the works. So we're going to set this aside too. So now let's look at the charging case itself. As you can see, it has a glossy black finish all over, and there's no Realme logo as well on the box. It's a very simple box. It doesn't have a lot of flashiness going on, but it does have an LED indicator here which tells you how much battery is left on your charging case. And if you can see this, it does have a button here on the box which is the pairing key. Also at the bottom you have the Type-C port from where you can charge this device. And that's it. That's about it for the box. So let's open up this charging case, and in here you can now see the earbuds themselves. Here on the inside you can see that it has a matte black finish instead of a glossy black finish like the outside. And upon pulling these earphones, you can see that the insides are still glossy. So that's it for the charging case. Also, this charging case has a battery life of 14 hours, and these earphones come with a battery life of 3 hours. So the total battery life of both together is a total of 17 hours. So let's set this charging case aside and let's look at the earphones themselves. So they have a pipe style look, the earbuds, and they also have a 45-degree angled nozzle for a better fit. Unfortunately, these don't have silicone earbuds on them, and those kind of earphones have known to be slightly problematic for smaller ears since they don't offer a really nice fit inside the ear. Anyway, the back part of these earphones right here is actually a touch panel. So you have a bunch of touch controls and you can control your playback and music through this touchpad, which is quite nifty. Also, these earphones come with auto detection, wear detection features. So they employ optical sensors which reside right here, and these sensors understand if these earphones are inside your ear or if they've been taken out. And if they're inside your ear, the music keeps playing. If they've been taken out, the earphones stop playing the music. They basically just pause it momentarily until you put them back in your ears. The earphones also come with an R1 chip which allows super low latency. So basically these earphones can be put into gaming mode where the latency is super low and you don't feel like you're actually wearing Bluetooth earphones because the latency is as low as normal wired headphones as per the company. They also come with wireless charging, as we said. So this case can just be placed on a key charger and it will start and it will light up here and you'll know that it has begun charging. Additionally, they also have bass boost drivers, which means that the bass will be enhanced. They come with Bluetooth 5.0, which means that connectivity should be seamless, and you also get 10 meters of wireless range or 33 feet of wireless range. Let's take a look at how to use the touch controls on the Realme Buds Air. So firstly, when you open the charging case, all you need to do is press and hold this button for 3 seconds. This is the pairing key, and basically the earphones will go into pairing mode. Then all you need to do is go to your device and turn on your Bluetooth and look in the menu for the Realme Buds Air and connect them. After that, you simply need to extract the earphones and then you can start listening to music. So the touch operations on these earbuds are basically these. A double touch on either the right or the left earbud will pause or play the music. A triple touch on the other hand on either the right and left earbud will skip to the next track. Unfortunately, there's no way to go to the previous track on these. Also, pressing and holding this for 2 seconds during a call will hang up a call, and pressing it 2 seconds during an incoming call will decline the call. Pressing and holding these earphones for 2 seconds on both sides simultaneously will enter you into gaming mode, which is the super low latency mode. So all those PUBG games and everything will be latency free. Also, when you press and hold either side for 2 seconds when the music is going on or they're in standby mode, it will activate voice assistant. So it can be Google Assistant or Siri in your case. These earphones, as we already mentioned, also have fast pair. So basically, once you have already paired your device, you simply have to open up the case and extract the earbuds, and they will automatically connect to your phone and start playing the latest track, which is pretty nifty and it's a great feature. So there you go guys, these were the Realme Buds Air True Wireless earphones from the company. They are quite compact, quite feature laden, and the only gripe we really have with them is that they don't come with silicone buds. Other than that, they look to be a feature rich pair of earphones and we can't wait to try them. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you liked our content, remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you once again.